This video will show you how to access all of our e-learning plans by the school website. So that's kind of been our way to post something in an easy location. So our school website is www.superiorwildcats.org, and you do have to type in the www to get it to work. So I'm just on our home page right now, and you see our coronavirus tab, which is where we are putting most of our updates, and then our e-learning is where we are posting kind of all of our lesson plans for the week. And so we just broke that into two sections, elementary and secondary. And so let's just start with elementary. If I say, oh, I want to check on what my second grade student should be doing, so I'm going to click on second grade. And then if I scroll down here, you see that we have kind of the lesson plans here posted for the week. We've also made some easy email links. If you need to reach out to your child's teacher, you can just click on the link located on their page and send an email to them. So that's elementary. High school is set up just a little bit differently. So secondary, you see we have kind of all of our subject areas. And so let's say I need to check on my 10th grade English student. So I'm going to click on English and Reading. And then I'm going to scroll down and find English 10. So you can kind of read just a short little summary here, but if I actually click on it, then it's going to take me to the page, and I'm going to be able to see all of the details for their lesson. So hopefully that helps you kind of navigate the site for our e-learning resources.